Hello everybody, welcome back to the Reset Info channel. In today's video, I'm going to tell you who owns Grok. So, as you guys may know, Grok is an AI assistant that was created by xAI, and xAI is a company founded by Elon Musk himself. Now, Grok was built to integrate with X, so basically Twitter, and it can offer real-time insights, personalized content, and even help with tweeting or responding. Unlike other AIs, Grok can interact directly with what's happening on the platform now. So it can analyze every single trend. Of course, it can summarize your tweets or basically anybody's tweet. Now, it can also engage in live conversations. It was designed to make the social media experience better and more efficient. So if you're active on X, then Grok can definitely help you stay on top of what's happening. And that's basically Grok. This is an AI that's all about enhancing your X experience, and the owner is the xAI, which is founded by Elon Musk. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then leave a like, subscription, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.